Hi everyone, this is Mahmood and I'm going to show you how you can connect your existing business phone number to a voice AI agent inside VAPI, Retell or ElevenLabs or any other software tool that you are using to build voice AI agents. So whenever I speak to business owners, the one question that I get asked most frequently is that how you can connect to our existing business phone numbers. So normally there is option of using cloud providers like Twilio to get a new number, but most of the businesses want to use their existing business phone numbers for the voice AI agents as well. So there are a few requirements. First of all, we need to have the IP address or domain, for example, the one that is mentioned here, and then username and password. These are the three most important requirements, and you need to ask these. You need to get these details from your existing telephone provider, and then later all these things are. I found this in VAPI, but in other platforms these are not the requirements. So what you have to do is, for example, if we go in VAPI, first of all you need to connect your provide all these details that I mentioned, right? So you search for, you go to provider keys and you go for SIP trunk credentials. You configure a new one and you can give any name, and then you so this is where you give the IP address or domain. This is the most important part. As you can see, others are not really required, so this asterisk shows that this is required. And then you can add the authentication of like username and password. This is most probably not required from the VAPI's point of view, but your provider might require this, so you should be adding this. And then further, if you click on this, you will get this domain or username and gram. So why I'm telling all this, because when I integrated for one of my clients, we had to fill all these details because it was a requirement from the provider. So when you add all these details and save SIP trunk, then once you go to phone numbers and then you create a new phone number and BYO SIP trunk number, you select this and add your phone number. Then you have to when you add the details inside the provider keys, your credentials will appear here, so you will select that and then you can import it. So this is how you can do it in VAPI. Now let's quickly go towards ElevenLabs. So in ElevenLabs only, you just go to so here phone numbers, import from SIP trunk, and this label you can give anything, and the phone number you can add here, and you just give username and password. And after that, this origination UI, you have to give this URI to your provider so that they can whitelist it from their side. That's it for ElevenLabs. This is very easy, and once the phone number is added, you can assign it to your agent. After that, let's come to Retell AI. Connect your number using SIP trunking, enter your phone number, and then this termination URI you have to like for example in ElevenLabs this was the URI, so similarly you have to provide this URI. You can get it from your provider and then just save it and assign it to your agent. So these are the very simple steps that you can use to connect your existing phone numbers inside VAPI. It can vary from region to region, and for example in UAE we have some other providers that you can get your SIP details from. So it all depends from the provider's point of view. Mainly that's where you like a lot of people face difficulties. So here also I have mentioned that provider has to enable the access from their side, and like whitelisting and all. So you have to have some conversation with them and integrate along with their help. So you need their support as well. So yeah, that was all about the SIP trunking. If you have any questions, drop in the comments or reach out to me like by booking the call. It's in the description. Thank you so much, and see you guys later.